In this video, I will show you how to remove friends on Discord. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, you might be looking to remove friends because you no longer want to talk to them, or maybe you just no longer want to have them as a friend on Discord. To get started, what you want to do is open up Discord, log into your account, and then you need to find your friends list. So if you actually come up to the top right hand corner, you're going to see a direct messages button. Give that a click. That's going to take you to a screen like this. And then if you come up to the top, you can see we've got our friend section up here. All you need to do is click onto all, and it's going to display all your friends. Now from here, find the friends that you want to remove. Let's go ahead and take this one for example. And all you need to do is come to the right hand side of your friend, click onto the three dots which says more, and you're going to see an option here to remove friends. Give that a click, and what that's going to do is bring up a pop-up like this saying, are you sure you want to remove this from your friends? At this point, just click the red remove friend button, and as you can see, that's going to go ahead and remove that friend. So that is how to remove friends on Discord. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.